Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove a Facebook ID from your iPhone. So in order to do so, first of all, launch settings on your iPhone. Here we go. Now simply scroll down below and over here go to passwords. Now over here simply enter your iPhone's passcode, then tap on your Facebook ID over here. Now over here, you'll simply see the option of delete password. So if you tap on that option, you will successfully be able to remove that specific Facebook ID from your iPhone. And the next time you wish to log in, you would have to enter your password and your email address or your other credentials in order to log in. And that Facebook account won't be saved on your iPhone anymore. So this is it for today. And if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.